Hi all, just received this as a little birthday gift for my Christmas outfit. I'm going to do a little bit of a review on it. Thought I'd just take this opportunity now to do a little bit of a review. Going to take it out now and see how it fits. Where is this from? It's from the Old-Gits-Club. So, actually feels quite nice. Look at that, nice little Christmassy type of top. Get me in the Christmas mood. Take it off, put this on. This is a medium, so should all fit quite well. Yeah, look at that. Actually fits really well. Material feels nice. There you go. Yeah, happy with it. Good present.